The decision to merge was actually quite a natural one because over the last few years we've done a lot of work on defining the products that we found our clients really respond to, which is consulting and law together. To be precise about what that means, how that benefits them, the clients, but also what we have been able to do with that. And the fact that we come to know ValueCon really well, found like-minded people in similar industries, it's made it an absolute natural choice to now go merge and create that bigger platform for our services going forward.
From a timing perspective, I think it's about exploiting a market opportunity and achieving our growth potential. Most organizations face technological, regulatory, and strategy-driven change, and this is very central for Bird vision and also very much aligned with Oxygy service offering. In the past 2 years, we have the solutions we have developed with Bird have enjoyed a great success on the market. So we thought it was important to accelerate our growth trajectory and therefore to have a better collaboration with Bird. And finally, I think that both Bird and ValueCon have similar culture. They share the values of customer centricity, innovativeness, and teamwork. So having a common culture is a great foundation for a successful merger. So our vision for Oxygy is to become the leading management consultancy associated with an international law firm. We want to be famous, we want to be market leader for a number of solutions in the domain of regulatory compliance, data and digital transformation, and business expansion. We have an aggressive growth plan for Oxygy. We want to take it to new geographies, Europe, US, Asia, and to achieve market leadership in a number of sectors, like retail and consumer, life sciences, financial services, tech and comms, to name a few.
A question I often get asked is, well, what will Oxygy do for Bird lawyers? And actually it is all about that relationship that is frankly at the heart of everything that we do. It's the client. With Oxygy, and what we've already noticed in the last 2 years is we are having different conversations. We have conversations not just at the M&A point, not just at the contentious point, but companies going through change as part of their life cycle. We're talking to different people. We're talking to the C-suite. We're talking to the people who are taking their companies through that change. We're talking to new clients in sectors that we already serve very well. ValueCon, as one of the partners there, have a fantastic spread of clients in life sciences, for example. And here's an opportunity with the new platform in Oxygy to go out there and bring new solutions to new clients and new solutions to clients we already knew well, but we're going to do something just slightly different. That's the interesting platform, that's the like-minded people, that's a differentiator, and that's something that we're really going to develop hard, push hard over the next few years.
Well, you know what I would say collaboration. We engage our clients in developing and implementing the solutions that affect their business. Ultimately, we think that sustainable results, sustainable change happens only if you fully involve and engage people affected by a transformation.
But not just collaboration. I think what's so interesting is this business and in consulting makes it much more forward-thinking. It's not just solving today's problem, but it's doing something with it. And I have to be honest, over the last 2 years, I've learned a lot about the thinking like a business, and ultimately that's translated into it's fun. It's fun to do. You engage with the client differently, with like-minded people. So fun. Let's have fun doing this.
I take it.
So Edward, the question everyone will ask is, why Oxygy?
So it's interesting because actually when we presented the new name to a client, an important client of the firm, the client came up with, it's about oxygen and synergy. Everything comes actually from oxygen, the root oxygen. Our ambition is to provide to clients a new consulting experience, a truly new consulting experience, a refreshing experience. It's like open the windows to and get a breath of fresh air. And synergy is because of collaboration, integration between law and consulting, but also that's actually the explanation for the customer. Everything is oxygen and synergy.
And that's our strategy, and that's the third one.
Yes.